Okay, hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, so welcome back to live@pz.com. So right now I have 3 guests with me today.
Three interns.
Yes, our beloved interns for today. So maybe you guys can introduce yourself.
Bonjour, je m'appelle HUAWEI Iskandar. J'ai 22 ans. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. This is in English. Okay. My name is HUAWEI Iskandar, 22 years old, single and ready to mingle.
What? Click.
Hi guys, my name is Tina, 23 years old, single, not ready to mingle, no.
33.
Okay, hi, my name is Aziza.
Go.
And I'm 21 years old, single but
Sama dengan aku lah.
not
Sure.
very.
Okay, so you guys know what we are going to unbox and react for today?
What?
No, I'm excited.
Okay, for the 3 of you, you guys will be reacting to the new HUAWEI FreeBuds Studio. So the HUAWEI FreeBuds Studio is Huawei's latest flagship headphones. This was just announced today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm excited.
Exciting.
Okay,
That
so
box is bigger than my self-esteem.
Yeah, so right now you guys are going to open the box and react to the sound quality.
Okay.
Everyone take one side. 1, 2, 3.
Oh god!
That sounds expensive. Okay, now. Oh, silap. Wait, we dumb people, so. Wow! You know what? Screw rings. Propose your girlfriend with this.
So it comes with in another color, which is black.
Yeah,
So
but
you
this color looks nice.
I think.
Yeah, take out whatever is in the box,
I
react to whatever.
think inside here is just like I thought. What language in this to teach? But guy, kau. Is there any French here?
No.
Let's just assume no to save some time. Okay, so on to the headphones.
Yeah, agree.
The headphones has a noise cancelling feature. Why don't you guys try it on? So how does it feel on your head?
Comfortable.
Do you feel like there's not much noise going on outside?
It's like I can't hear myself that much lah.
Okay. Okay, so
I'm testing.
try it out. Each of you try it out.
Okay.
Oh my god, earwax enak dengan gula aku tau. Wow.
What ke?
You can hear your own thought.
Yeah, it's basically like kau
Yeah.
surround dengan suara kau je lah.
Oh my god, who's that? Okay, Anna. Okay.
Okay, next person.
Headphone ni benci dengan baju ni.
Yeah, match lagi.
Okay, tak dengar kadang-kadang. Tapi apa dengar tadi aku cakap?
Okay, so let's turn the headphones on. So it have to be connected to the Bluetooth, which is already connected to mine.
Play WAP.
No.
No.
Okay, so who wants to test out?
Tina lah, since she try first kan.
Alright, so any song request?
WAP.
Any song, just any
Okay lah, any song lah, Fit, anything you want.
Minuman we borak-borak lah. Kau tahu tak perempuan tu?
Oh mana?
Perempuan tu lah dia pakai sweater kelabu hari ni. Yang tu.
Kita dengar.
Sebab tu lah kita borak, kita nak test.
Oh, there's.
We testing the.
How's the sound quality?
We on nama. I mean too good. Memang tak dengar
You
whatever. I can't even listen
Okay.
whatever they talking. It's too
Okay.
good. I think it really has a nice cover also.
Ini kutuk kau tadi. What?
Wise.
Blackpink in your area. Yeah. Aku tak faham.
Okay, so how's the sound quality?
It's Blackpink, of course. Oh, I mean, the here, okay, it's good. Damn.
It's like after so long, finally I feel like one
Yeah.
headphone is really
Yes.
sounds really good.
No matter how much it costs, if it this kind of quality, then
It's worth your money.
yeah,
Okay.
it's worth of investing.
Alyssa, your turn. Ready?
Play WAP.
No.
And we can't even listen to that.
Yeah. And
That's what make it. That's what make it good.
Because this is like on almost full volume actually.
oh, okay.
Even if I think if we like, can you put your head closer here so can you hear?
No.
Right, so
Yeah, wait.
Okay,
I
almost
think that's
done.
a good benefit of it.
For me lah, it helps because kan macam tadi kan Lisa tak dengar pun Lisa couldn't hear what we say apa semua. So I think it helps because we all take LRT or public transport kan. And I hate when people give us stink eye when they hear our music blast on our earphone or headphone like sorry lah korang punya music taste sucks. Tapi yeah, maybe in a way it helps us. It's not my fault they have the bad music taste. Jadi this headphone shall help in terms of it's not only cancelling the noise outside, it's also cancelling the noise we make inside.
So what I think about this is like basically whenever you hear some music in anywhere lah, people get distracted because they can hear outside.
Yeah.
So they are like, can you slow down,
Mm-hmm.
So not strangers won't tell you that, they just wake up and go sit at other place, okay? So I think this is really a good thing. This is actually especially for people who really love using headphone, because not much people use it. So I think this is one thing, if you really think you want to have something that can last very long and worth it, I think everybody should go with it lah, because the color looks, hardly you can see this type of color looks nice. Okay,
True,
not
true.
everybody love it, but I don't like this color, but this look interesting.
My point of view, you guys tell me.
Oh.
Came up with anything, the
But
colour.
I think you guys should buy this headphone because it's really damn good. You guys should buy.
Baru first impression though, that
Yes.
was all go buy
Please
now.
buy.
This headphones actually comes, other than the noise cancellation, when you press this button, there's also like a awareness feature. So I'm going to have one of you to try this again. Try, and then press the button on the left for the awareness feature. On the
Left.
Yeah, I saw.
What do you hear?
Raining.
Kenapa?
Kau tahu tak bila korang tengah main game,
Yeah.
macam whatever game GTA whatever, lepas tu bila hujan feeling bunyi tu kan, macam tu feeling dia, tapi dia tak kuat, but kau rasa macam kau kat tempat yang ada hujan.
You can hear yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone?
Actually, it helps for people who want to see.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, this is awareness. This is what you are hearing right now live in your surroundings.
Dia bukan rain. It sounds like.
It's actually the white noise that you hear around you. That's the
Sebab
surrounding.
aku dengar tu lah, macam feeling tu.
But just now tadi your voice crack kat sini. Why my voice memang kuat macam ni ke ataupun?
Tak, dia kau pakai benda tu kau rasa.
And also yes.
Oh.
Cuba cakap.
Wow.
Cuba dengar suara kau sendiri tak? Dia macam clear sikit benda tu. Like dalam kau satu
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, off topic, you can use this to slap your ass. Does that come with the features?
No.
Okay, so overall, thank you guys for joining us here today to react for the HUAWEI FreeBuds Studio, and thank you guys for giving us your thoughts. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at lifehackpc.com,
Please like.
on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
And follow us too.
No need.
Okay.
So we will see you all in the next video.